Hey everybody, welcome back. Got another beautiful Shelby here. It's a GT500 KR Convertible and it is gorgeous. The paint on this car is amazing. We'll just start out by going around the body. Car's got great gaps. Very straight. All the trim, bumpers, everything are in really great shape. Lower valance is super clean. The reflection of the clouds in the trunk lid's crazy. Top's in excellent condition. VIN tag. Lower valance is in great shape, super clean. Got the Lucas fog lights with the covers. It's an absolutely stunning car. Black deluxe interior. All the original seat belts. Steering wheel's in excellent condition. Car shows 56,675 miles. The original radio, original gauges. That's a over-the-counter Shelby shift knob. Console's in great shape. Got a rag sticking out of it. Glove box was signed by Carol. Let's pop the trunk. It's got a nice full-size spare with a 10-spoke. Trunk area is super clean. Trunk lines up good. Shuts very good. All the door jambs are nice and clean. No overspray on any bolts or anything. beautiful car. Dash pad's in excellent shape. This is one of the nicest cars I've ever had. Let's pop the hood. Sorry about that. Engine bay is very nicely detailed. Original Shelby tag. It's car 3480. Still got the ram air plenum under the hood. This ram air seal's in great shape. Look down the fender. Man, this thing is super, super straight. Let's listen to it. Try to start it without giving it no gas. Doors shut really nice. Car sounds awesome. Sounds super smooth, very healthy. Give it a little rev. Works great. I've already got it unlatched. Nope, actually I latched it back. Better way to look at the back seat. a walk around of a GT500 KR 4-speed, beautiful black. It looks amazing. We'll do a driving video next. Okay, we're here in the black 68 500 KR Convertible. We're gonna go for a drive. Tack works really good. We've been driving it for the drive video for a little while. Temperature stays great. Gas gauge works really good. The clock's working. We got radio works. The speaker is actually coming out right here where it should be. So the shifter in this car is so smooth. It's an original shifter. All right, let's go. Clutch is nice and tight. The car's just really tight. Power steering's really nice. Doesn't wander. It's easy to drive with one hand. And you got that 428 Curva Jet power. Blinker works. Got your left blinker, right blinker. All right, let's go. Really in tune, super smooth. Even in fourth gear, when you hit the gas, there's 80. Car just tracks straight. Temperature actually came down it was fine to begin with, but when you're flowing, it's got a little air moving through it. Temperature comes down, so the car's really mechanically great. Got great oil pressure. Come to the stoplight here. The car just sits and idles fine. It doesn't want to die. The light finally turned green. There's third gear, fourth gear. The car has no hesitation in the throttle. Doesn't hiccup at all. It just, as soon as you hit the gas, it goes. No hesitation. Definitely one of the best cars that we've had. Alright, so we're in fourth, downshift to third, downshift to second, hit the blinker, go to first, car's just sitting here idling great. Car's super smooth. Let's get on the brakes. Go to third. Now we're back at the shop. This car is for sale. If you have interest,